Nice. Mad Dog nice. Whoo. Mad Dog nice. Hey, at the top. Take a break. Hot out here today. But we getting it done. We getting it done. Yeah. Got us a brand new 390, baby. It's not the heaviest thing I ever hauled, but hey, it's brand new. It's pretty, man. I like it. But it is a hot day. Yeah, I guess it's gonna be a hot year. I'll finish chaining down in a minute. Get me something to drink. We're doing good. Yeah. Got to reset the booster. And it's looking good, yeah. Yeah, I got it looking good. Hell yeah. Got it looking good. Like I know I should. Yeah. I got my original YouTube channel. I mean, I just put it there for family and friends to see, you know. And I started another one. And got a little bit of pictures on Facebook and Instagram. You know, I'm getting to be an old man. Maybe the grandkids or so forth might enjoy seeing them. But so picked up over that Komatsu factory, Chattanooga choo choo, and so oh well.